guys, welcome back to Colorfully Optimistic. I am going to tackle a bluebell today and show you how I color a bluebell. We are going to do this one pretty quickly as part of my quick tutorials. So you're going to start with Dioxazine Purple Hue PC132. I'm going to do this little bluebell here. I'm going to start this at the top, and I'm basically just creating a line with this one. Nothing else. Okay. Now you will want your Imperial Violet, which is PC107. And this one you're going to fan around your first color and draw it down. Fan it out slightly. We'll be blending with a different color later. Keep it thicker at the top and narrower here at the end of the petal. Okay, and then you will want to grab your Blue Violet Lake PC1079. And basically same thing, but now I'm kind of going around the edges of all of these colors. And this is just a technique. You don't want to mimic this exactly on every single bluebell, because you'll notice each bluebell I've done here is slightly different. No two flowers sitting in a garden look like twins. They look similar from afar, but up close they're different. Okay, then you want to grab your Cloud Blue, which is PC1023. And this is our first blender. So I'm going to take that over everything up top, bring it down. Same thing here. I'm going to bring it down. You'll notice I'm leaving a little white space. We want that because we're going to come in with some cream. And the cream just kind of helps soften. Plus, if you've ever looked at a real bluebell, you'll notice it has a lot of cream in it. And bluebells are a lot more purplish than blue. Okay, so then you'll want your cream. Mine's half dead here, but PC914. And what I'm going to do is where I have those white spaces, I'm pressing pretty hard because I want to bring up that cream into those spaces, just like that. Add some here. Yes, my cream for this set is really crumbly. Out of the way. And there you go. We have another bluebell. So I know it's more purpley, but bluebells are actually purplish. They're like a blue-violet color. But see, I've done that same technique with all of these bluebells, and I've done my darndest to keep them different enough from one another so that they don't look exactly the same. I did do a tutorial on how to color the white garlic up here, so you can find that also on my channel. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope to send another short tutorial out very soon. But until next time, take care.